How to fix the 404 page not found error on GitHub pages. That is the tiny task. Hey everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to resolve the 404 page not found error that sometimes pop up when you're using GitHub pages, especially if you're setting it up through TinyTask or a similar tool. So let's jump right in. If you're seeing a 404 error when trying to access your GitHub hosted site, don't worry, I'll walk you through what to do step by step. To start up, you gotta open your GitHub pages. So for that, you gotta head over to your dashboard of GitHub and open any of the repository. So I'm gonna click on this one over here. And over here, like you can see, this is basically my repository. So you gotta click on settings over here. And once you do so, you'll be redirected to an interface like this. So over here at the left side, you'll be able to see under code and automation pages. So you're going to click on pages. And once you do so, inside the pages settings, you'll need to make sure two things are properly configured. Under the source section, it should say deploy from branch. Right below that, in the branch drop-down, make sure it's set to main. If it's currently set to none, go ahead and change it. Also check that the folder is set to root in the folder drop-down. After you've made these adjustments, click the save button. It might take up to 30 to 60 seconds for the changes to apply. So give it a moment. Once GitHub processes the deployment, a link to your live site will appear at the top of the pages section. Click that link to preview your website, and that's it. Your GitHub page should now load correctly without showing the 404 error. So that's it for today's video. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.